In Call of Duty Black Ops 6, the ping system is a game-changing communication tool that allows you to mark enemies, locations, and items for your teammates without using voice chat. The default control for pinging is the right bumper button on your controller. This applies to both Xbox and PlayStation controllers, though the exact button names differ slightly. Black Ops 6 features 4 distinct types of pings, each with its own visual indicator and purpose. Understanding these different ping types is essential for effective team communication. Recent updates to Black Ops 6 have significantly improved the ping system. The accuracy has been enhanced, cross-platform compatibility has been standardized, and responsiveness has been optimized across all platforms. When you place a ping, it appears as a visual marker for 8 to 10 seconds by default. The system also provides audio callouts in your selected language, ensuring your teammates are alerted even when they're not looking at the ping location. Understanding these ping system fundamentals is essential for effective team coordination in Black Ops 6. Mastering when and how to use each ping type will significantly improve your team's tactical communication and overall performance. Optimizing your controller setup is crucial for effective tactical pinging. The first step is remapping your ping functions to easily accessible buttons. The default ping button is the right bumper, but many players find better success remapping to the right stick click for quick access during intense firefights. For contextual pings, consider mapping to D-pad up, which allows for quick access to different ping types without interfering with movement controls. Next, we need to configure the ping detection sensitivity for optimal performance. The ping detection radius sensitivity determines how precisely you need to aim at targets. A setting between 75 and 85% provides the optimal balance between accuracy and ease of use. Too low sensitivity makes it difficult to ping fast-moving targets, while too high sensitivity results in accidental pings on unintended objects. Now let's look at advanced settings that can further enhance your ping effectiveness. For competitive play, enable ping confirmation to avoid accidental pings during intense moments. This requires a brief hold rather than a quick tap. Set your ping duration to 6 to 8 seconds for fast-paced game modes. This provides enough time for teammates to respond without cluttering the screen. Professional players have recognized the importance of proper ping setup. Let's hear from some of the best players in the game. Scump from Optic Gaming emphasizes that proper ping usage is now as essential as good aim, calling it a fundamental skill that separates good players from great ones. Simp from Atlanta, FaZe notes that the ping system in Black Ops 6 is the most responsive they've seen, completely changing how teams approach map control. The impact of proper ping setup is backed by impressive statistics from professional teams and competitive players. Professional teams using coordinated ping strategies report a 40 to 60% improvement in team coordination, with some teams crediting their championship success to structured ping communication. Players who actively use ping communication show 23% higher win rates in ranked modes, while properly configured ping systems achieve 91% accuracy in enemy detection. By fine-tuning your controller setup with these optimizations, you can significantly enhance your tactical communication and overall gameplay effectiveness in Black Ops 6.